Hey, fourth grade, we're ready today to round whole numbers once again. Now, you should have already done pages 43, 44, 45, and 46 in your math book before you watch the video. So pause here if you haven't done that yet. Okay, let's get started, guys. Let's see how you did. Okay, number one, you should have gotten to the nearest 10,000 whenever we round. We're going to think, okay, 12,548. Okay, we're going to think, okay, to the nearest thousand, I'm going to work with this 2 here. Look at the digit to the right, 5 or more, go 1 more. So my 2 becomes a 3. Everything in front of it stays the same, and everything after becomes a 0. So how many people? It was 13,000. Make sure you put your label, people. If you forgot your label, write it in there now. Pause the video anytime you need to. Next question. Okay, on this one, guys, we're rounding 380,285 to the nearest 10,000. And make sure you look at that, the 10,000. Okay, so when I'm taking a look here, I'm going to be looking at, okay, for the 10,000s, I'm going to look at the 8, okay, look at the digit to the right, 4 or less, 0 is 4 or less, so the 8 would stay the same, it's going to rest. So everything in front stays the same, everything after becomes a 0. So 380,000, make sure you put your labels, T's. Add that in if you forgot. Number 3. Okay, on this one, the correct answer is C. Okay, now, it says Ellen chose C as the correct answer. Explain how she got her answer. So she was right. Okay, so we're going to type something in that explain it this way, something that looks like this. Okay, Ellen saw that 264,398 is closer to 264,400 than to 264,390. So she rounded up. As long as you have something similar to that, super. Number 4. Okay, the correct answer is A. Okay, now it says, because it said which does not round to 6,550 kilometers. Okay, so you should have chosen A. It's the only one that does not round. Okay, number 5. Okay, right here, the correct answer this one right here, letter B. Okay, okay, because rounding it to the nearest thousand, when I look next door in the hundreds is a 2. That's 4 or less, so I gotta let it rest. Keep the thousands a 2. On number 6, okay. Okay, the first one is rounded to the nearest 100. And guys, an easy way to tell these are just look at where the last counting digit is located at, okay? So when I take a look, there's a 4 in the hundreds, so that's rounded to hundreds. But this one here, there's a 3 in the thousands, so guess what? It's rounded to the nearest thousand. On this next one, it's in the 10,000s, so really that's just because it couldn't have been 29,000. It rounded up to 30,000, so it's really the thousand. Okay, don't let that one trick you. And then the last one is actually going to be to the nearest 100 because there is a digit in the 100. Okay, on this one, you should have put a letter A right. Oh, I'm not sure I can get it there. Let's see if I can get it there. I'm going to get it close. In this box, right there, should have been your capital A. Okay, on this one, which place value would you round to? Okay, rounded to the nearest thousand is 6,000. Okay, rounded to the nearest 100 is 5,600. Okay, rounded to the nearest 10 is 5,560. I would round to the nearest 10 to pay a bill. I would round to the nearest 1,000 for a prize. Okay, and finally, on number 9, okay, you could have chosen any 5-digit number. Just make sure that you have an adult check that work to make sure that your 5-digit number actually does round up to a 6-digit number. I'll show you my example, but have a parent check what you put exactly, okay? Just to make sure you're on the right track. Okay, so if I have a 5-digit number and I want to make sure that it rounds up to a 6-digit number, I might do something like 99,990, okay? Because when I look at this and I think, okay, rounded to the nearest, 10,000, it's going to round up to 100,000. And that's a 6-digit number, okay? Okay, so that one would work for this answer. Hopefully you did really great. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, send me a message, okay, guys? Now, your assignment today is going to be actually going back to Google Classroom, and it's a worksheet that's found on Google Classroom. So don't work in your book after this. You're going to go back to Google Classroom, and you have another activity to do. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.